I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW 1 Series manual. First, get comfortable with the 3 pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Next, locate the gear shifter and understand its pattern. Finally, ensure you know how to engage and disengage the parking brake. To start, press the clutch pedal all the way down and turn the ignition. With the clutch still pressed, select first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal while gently pressing the accelerator. This is the friction point where the car begins to move. Practice this until it feels smooth. For upshifting, accelerate, press the clutch, move to the next higher gear, and then release the clutch smoothly while continuing to accelerate. When downshifting, press the clutch, select a lower gear, and gently release the clutch, perhaps with a slight blip of the throttle to match engine speed. Consistent practice is key to mastering your manual BMW 1 Series. Find a quiet, open space to get comfortable with starting, stopping, and shifting. Always anticipate traffic and road conditions so you can shift gears smoothly and efficiently. Remember to avoid resting your foot on the clutch pedal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.